Where's that bird at? You find him? Where's he at? Oh. Easy. Easy. Here. Easy. 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 Go find a bird. Good boy.
No offense, swim in here.
He's just sniffing for it. I hear his nose going. Oh, you found it.
He did?
Where's it at? I don't know. He was sniffing. I saw him turn. I think it went in there.
It's gotta be way up in the edge of this bank. Yeah, it's. I don't think it's been able to climb the bank.
Easy. Easy. Might have drowned it. Where'd it go? Where's your bird at? Find it? Did you find it? There it is. Oh boy. He's going way over there, Diesel. Oh, there he is. You go get that bird. It was just laying along the edge. Oh, I got a tick. Let's see. Huh. Well, you got that bird. What a good boy. Bring that bird here.
Right along the bank.
Good place.
It swam from over there.
What good puppy. Trying to find you a place to come in. Here, you can come in right here. There's a good puppy. He got that bird. Here. Hey, Diesel, come here. Right here. You come to the bank.
Diesel got him a bird.
Here. Hey, quit mouthing that. Hold.
Diesel got him.